Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain what a launch template is and how you can use it. Okay, so first of all, what is a launch template? So a launch template is basically a saved configuration for your EC2. Okay, so instead of setting your instance type, your AMI, key pair, security groups, and user data sometimes, so this all you do every time. Okay, whenever you are going to launch an EC2 instance. So what the launch template does, it saves everything once and it keeps it for you. Okay, so when next time when you are going to launch your EC2 instance, so that time you can use that launch template. Okay, so now let's create the one. So you have to just go to EC2 dashboard here and you will see this launch template. Okay, and then you just click on create launch template. So here I will give the name my basic launch template. Then version you can give or you can leave it as it is. After that you have to choose your AMIs. So source template and all everything you can keep as it is. Instance type is there, so you can choose the type. I will go for the T2 micro, like I want every time to launch T2 micro only. Then okay, AMIs we have here, so recently launched, we'll see. So this is ours only, or you can just go and browse more AMIs. So Amazon Linux 2023 kernel, this we can use. So I will use this one only. Just select that AMI. So AMI as when we selected, then we selected the T2 micro. Even we can select the key pair if you want. So I have this already a key pair that I will select. Subnet also you can select if you want, or you can leave it as it is for now. Security groups, if you want to select, you can. So I will select this one. Then EBS volumes and all you can leave it as it is, no need to do. So now let's do a create launch template. Okay, so once everything is set, okay, so we'll go and check whether launch template is ready or not. So I will just click here. So okay, it's now it is created. Okay, so let's select this and then we will do click on actions, then launch instance from launch template will do. Okay, so my basic launch template is there, and then some information if required, that will give template or default value. So here we can select, or you can leave it as it is and just launch instance. Okay, so now if I go again in instances here, so here you will see one. Okay, this one it's creating, it's pending, no name is given here. So we'll wait until it gets started. I will just pause the video till now. Okay, now you can see the instance is running. I can just go and connect as well from here. So this is very useful for the auto scaling groups, this launch template. So whenever you will learn about the horizontal scaling and or load balancer, so you will get to know about this thing. So just remember this thing, and a quick summary will do. Just like launch template, what it does, it saves your EC2 configuration and makes launches faster and keep your setup consistent. Okay, so that's what launch template is and we use it. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.